describe the speed at this point?
Right now, the rolling. The wind is coming from the north northeast. That's all I can give you for now. I gotta check with Marvin White on the status form. Keep guard.
Captain Castro, would you consider this rolling, sir? Well, okay. How would you describe this?
These are swirl. These are about 6 to 7 foot waves. None of them are wind waves. We got in all directions, probably confused at this time.
Is that like mountainous and confused, or?
Yeah, maybe hilly, not really mountainous, but it's confused. It's not rolling. There's that.
Thank you.
Well, I like the bubble now. Right now the waves are rolling just due to the wind making me confused. That's what's happening. It's confusing the third of Okay. Is he done? I'm done. Hey, I'm not gonna watch that video.
Downstairs, I don't know fucking rolling swell, motherfucker.
Yeah, that's rolling slow.